So hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to use cancel package in LaTeX. So as you can see, we have one expressions. This you can see all the time in mathematics class. And the problem is how to simplify this expression. And as you can see, we have something which you must cancel. The same expression we must cancel, and how to make it and how to write it in LaTeX document I will show you in this tutorial. So this is a nice PDF document, and this PDF document I've just created in LaTeX. So it means you need to install Visual Studio Code, and you need to install or you can just install TextWork or MakeTech or something like this. So we will look together. So we are in TextWorks. So on the left side you can see what I just write, and right side you can see what's the how is PDF generated PDF. So I'm using document class article. After we need to use both packages, package cancel and package xcolor. So if you will use these two packages, after you can see and you can just create this cancel function, and you can choose with different color. So how it will be, how you can write these expressions and this mathematics, all you don't need you need only leaks. This is a program, you can see I'm there, and in this program you can write all expressions for how you need for your mathematics document, and slowly you can just choose what you need, and it will generate for you full code, quell code. So only copy and paste in your text document, and after it will work for you. So I'm using these two packages. As you can see, they are cancel and xcolor. You can use related documentation in online. What you can make with these packages. As you can see, I'm beginning my document with a section which is red. The color of the is red. So and after you see my code which I just created from Lex document. So if I want to my cancel function, it will be red. I will use color red and cancel. After, if I need to this expression, it will cancel with another direction. I will use B cancel, and it will make for me in another direction. This cancel in another direction. So after we are finished, and we can end our document. So all what I need, it was just two packages, and with these two packages I can write all my document. So again, it was a lex. In this lex we just wrote all expressions and put it in LaTeX document. So for better understanding and for you must practice this, so please try alone to write some documents like this. Another way how you can work, it's Visual Studio Code. In this Visual Studio Code, it's a little bit more comfortable and more better. It's better. So it will show you all. You can install all extensions, and this extension, it will make your work more easier, as you can see. So it was all from my tutorial how to create nice mathematics expressions, and it's up to you if you will use Visual Studio or this latex document text works, how you can choose. So have a nice day and bye everyone.